Hi friends, I am Professor Raju Thenge from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Malkapur. I am sharing another methods of microencapsulation with you. These methods are solvent evaporation method. In the solvent evaporation method, core material is dispersed in the polymer solution. Then this polymer is shrink around the core. Then the solvent from the solution was evaporated and a matrix type of microcapsule is formed. The core material that is used in the solvent evaporation method is either water soluble as well as the water insoluble core materials. A number of film forming polymers can be used to form a coating over the surface of core material. In the solvent evaporation process, see this flow chart where the active ingredient, that is the drug, along with the polymer that is dissolved in a volatile organic solvent, it may mix to form a organic polymeric phase. This organic polymeric phase, it is added into the aqueous phase, which consists of a stabilizer to form a oil in water type of a emulsion. It may be maintained at certain temperature so that the solvent from the solution, it is get evaporated slowly, and finally the microcapsules in the solutions are get precipitated, and these microcapsules can be obtained in the vessel at the bottom side. So this is the structure of microcapsule. This is called as a matrix type of microcapsules where the drugs are dispersed into the polymeric solution. So this method is widely used to prepare the microcapsule microspheres in the industry as well as the research purpose. So this method has advantage that it is easy and the uniform coating can be obtained, and the disadvantage is that in this method the agglomeration may be formed due to the separation. Another method of microencapsulation, that is pan coating method. So this pan coating method, it is the oldest process of preparation of microcapsules. This process may also be used for the application of coating over the surface of a tablet. So in this process, microcapsules are obtained by spraying a coating solution onto a moving core material in the standard coating pan. Solid particles greater than 600 micron in size are generally considered essential for the effective coating. The medicaments are usually coated onto various spherical substrates such as nonpareil sugar seed and then coated with a protective layer of various polymers. So number of equipments are used in the pan coating process. So these equipments are standard coating pan, modified coating pan, and the perforated coating pan. So this pan may be used to apply a thin coating over the surface of a core material. These are the standard coating pan where the bed of a powder is rotated inside this coating pan and the coating solution is sprayed over the surface of core material with the help of a spraying gun. So this method is a simple method of preparation of a microcapsule. So advantages of these methods are it is a easy and the low cost method. Second one, the control release beds can be easily prepared by using these methods. Disadvantage of this method is that the skilled person is required as well as the person should have experience of coating. If you like this video, then you can hit share or the like on my YouTube channel. Thank you.